Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. 15 hidden causes of fatigue that are draining your energy. So make sure to watch the full video. In today's fast-paced world, fatigue has become a common complaint for many individuals. While it's easy to attribute tiredness to a lack of sleep or a hectic lifestyle, there are often underlying factors that contribute to this pervasive feeling of exhaustion. Beyond the obvious culprits, several hidden causes of fatigue can silently sap your energy levels. In this article, we will explore these lesser-known factors that might be responsible for draining your vitality and leaving you feeling perpetually tired. 15 mental health and mood disorders. The emotional toll. Mental health plays a significant role in overall energy levels. Conditions like depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders can lead to feelings of fatigue and low energy. These conditions not only affect your emotional well-being, but can also impact your physical vitality. Seeking support from mental health professionals and implementing coping strategies can help manage these hidden causes of fatigue. 14 environmental factors, air quality and toxins. The environment you're in can contribute to fatigue. Poor indoor air quality, exposure to toxins and pollutants can lead to respiratory issues and general malaise. Breathing in pollutants affects oxygen levels, leading to feelings of tiredness. Ensuring proper ventilation, minimizing exposure to pollutants, and maintaining a clean living space can alleviate this hidden cause of fatigue. 13 chronic pain, a drain on energy. Chronic pain conditions, such as migraines, arthritis, and back pain, can significantly impact your energy levels. Constant pain not only affects your physical well-being but also takes a toll on your mental and emotional health. Managing chronic pain through medical intervention, physical therapy, and pain management techniques can help restore your energy and quality of life. 12 sleep quality, beyond quantity. While the recommended amount of sleep is crucial, sleep quality is equally important. Sleep disorders aside, factors like sleep environment, comfort, and sleep hygiene can influence how restful your sleep is. Poor sleep quality can leave you feeling fatigued even after what seems like adequate sleep. Ensuring a conducive sleep environment and following healthy sleep practices can improve the quality of your rest. 11 overexertion and burnout, balancing act. Pushing yourself to the limit, whether physically or mentally, can lead to burnout. Overcommitting, working long hours, and neglecting self-care can drain your energy and lead to fatigue. Finding a healthy balance between work, personal time, and rest is essential for preventing burnout and maintaining sustainable energy levels. 10 poor gut health. The gut-brain connection. The gut has gained recognition as the second brain due to its extensive influence on overall well-being. An imbalanced gut microbiome can lead to issues like fatigue. The gut microbiota plays a pivotal role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even mood regulation. When the balance of gut bacteria is disrupted, it can lead to inflammation, which affects energy levels and leaves you feeling drained. Taking care of your gut health through a balanced diet rich in fiber and probiotics can contribute to better energy levels. 9 undiagnosed sleep disorders, the hidden culprit. While sleep is a well-known factor affecting energy levels, there are often undiagnosed sleep disorders that go unnoticed. Conditions like sleep apnea, restless legs syndrome, and insomnia can significantly disrupt the quality of sleep. Even if you think you are getting enough sleep, these disorders can prevent you from experiencing restorative sleep, leaving you tired during the day. Identifying and addressing these sleep disorders is essential for restoring your energy. 8 food sensitivities, the dietary connection. The foods you consume could be playing a significant role in your fatigue. Food sensitivities or allergies can trigger an immune response that leads to inflammation. Chronic inflammation can sap your energy and leave you feeling lethargic. Identifying and eliminating trigger foods can make a remarkable difference in your energy levels. Working with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can help you pinpoint foods that may be causing fatigue. 7 medications and supplements, the unseen impact. Certain medications and supplements can have side effects that contribute to fatigue. This is particularly true for medications that affect the central nervous system, blood pressure, or even allergy medications that induce drowsiness. If you're experiencing persistent fatigue and are on medication, it's important to discuss potential side effects with your healthcare provider. Adjustments to medication schedules or types may alleviate fatigue. 6 chronic stress, the silent energy drain. Stress is a pervasive yet often overlooked cause of fatigue. The constant release of stress hormones can lead to physical and mental exhaustion. Chronic stress can also disrupt sleep patterns, exacerbating feelings of fatigue. Employing stress management techniques, such as relaxation exercises, mindfulness, and self-care, can be crucial for maintaining your energy levels and overall well-being. 5 vitamin and mineral deficiencies. The nutritional aspect. Deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D, iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, can contribute to fatigue. These nutrients play a vital role in energy production, and their absence can leave you feeling perpetually tired. Consulting a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation and potential supplementation can help address this underlying issue and improve your energy levels. 4 hormonal imbalances. The regulation of energy. Hormones are key players in regulating various bodily functions, including energy levels. Imbalances in hormones such as thyroid hormones, cortisol, and sex hormones can lead to fatigue. Fluctuations in hormone levels during different life stages, such as menopause, can also contribute to feelings of tiredness. Hormonal imbalances should be evaluated and managed by a healthcare professional. 3. Dehydration, the overlooked factor. Even mild dehydration can impact your energy levels. Water is essential for numerous bodily processes, including metabolism and circulation. When you're dehydrated, your blood volume decreases, leading to reduced oxygen and nutrient delivery to cells. This can result in fatigue and decreased alertness. Staying adequately hydrated is a simple yet effective way to combat fatigue. 2. Sedentary lifestyle. The inactivity trap. Surprisingly, a lack of physical activity can lead to fatigue. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, oxygenation, and mood. A sedentary lifestyle weakens your cardiovascular system and can contribute to decreased energy levels. Engaging in regular physical activity, even in small increments, can boost your energy and overall well-being. 1. Chronic illness or medical conditions. Underlying factors. Certain chronic illnesses or medical conditions, such as fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, and autoimmune disorders, can cause persistent fatigue. These conditions often come with complex symptoms that extend beyond physical exhaustion, affecting both physical and mental well-being. Managing these conditions with the help of medical professionals can help alleviate fatigue. Conclusion. Unraveling the mysteries of fatigue often requires a multifaceted approach. Beyond the obvious factors, hidden causes such as underlying medical conditions, nutritional imbalances, and even emotional well-being play a crucial role in determining our energy levels. It's imperative to be attuned to our bodies, pay attention to warning signs, and seek professional guidance when needed. By addressing these hidden culprits, we can make the necessary changes to regain our vitality and live life with the energy and enthusiasm it deserves. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.